This algebra part 1 means algebra part 1 means first you have to do additions. Addition means आपको यह ख्याल रखना होगा, सपोज देयर इज 2x plus 3y, it never be 5xy. ये गलती है, is wrong. Always adding 2x plus 3x, it is called 5x and it is additions. Same thing should be add with the same thing. Now suppose it is a book. Suppose it is a book. This is a pen. Suppose this is a pen. So book plus pen, always book plus pen. Book plus pen is equal to book plus pen. It never be book or never be pen. So what book plus book equal to 2 book. Book plus book equal to 2 book. Whatever be 2, 3, 4, 5. In numerical, everything, because numerical, suppose 1 plus 3 plus 5, these all are numerical values, so it is 9. First addition, then subtraction. Subtraction same thing should be, same thing on like thing should be subtract from like thing, not unlike thing. So first is addition, second is subtraction, third is multiplications. In multiplications, there when same thing is multiple with the same thing, suppose 4 is multiple with the 4, that means I can write 4 square. 5 is multiple with the 5, then I can write 5 square. Like this, when a plus b into a plus b, then I can write a plus b whole square, which I have taught already in. And now my suggestion, if they are giving what is the square of 52 square, without multiplications you can do directly. You break it 52, 50 plus 2 whole square. What you will get? 50 into 50 square, 50 square plus 2, these 2 will come here, 2 into 50 into 2, and now this is 2 square. So we know 50, 5 into 5, 25, 10 into 10, 100. So automatically without doing multiplications, you are getting directly answer 2500 plus 2 into 50, 100 into 2, 200 plus 4. That means how much? 2704. 2704. Like this, if they ask, you use this formula in every time when you know the a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. I am giving you a question. Suppose the difference between the area, the difference between the area of a square and rectangle, is 4 square meter. When perimeter of both figure is same. When perimeter of both is equal to 48 meter, then find the side of the rectangle. Simply, what is given here? See, first perimeter of both are equal. That means perimeter of rectangle equal to perimeter of square. That means perimeter of square is how much? 48. It is also 48 meter. This is 48 meter. This is 48 meter. Now 48 meter I can write because I don't know what is L and B. 2 into L plus B equal to 48 meter. Therefore L plus B equal to 24 meter. Just I have solved from the given things. It is given. This is given. Always you write first given. Then another thing, difference between the area is 4 square meter. Now I have got L plus B. I don't know what is L minus B. You can go by this formula. L minus B whole square equal to L plus B whole square minus 4LB. See, L square plus B square plus 2LB minus 4LB, it becomes L square plus B square minus 2LB. Now you put the value of L plus B whole square, that is 24 square minus 4 into 140, because it is given when how you have got the 140, just see. Perimeter of square equal to 48 meter. Therefore, side of square equal to 48 by 4, that is 12 meter. So area of square equal to 12 square, 12 into 12 equal to 144 square meter. Just gradually you write it one by one, then you will get the correct answer. So same thing, 144 minus 4, because difference between the area of square and rectangle is 4. It is given. Difference when rectangle area is 4 square meter less than area of square. It is, I have solved from given. So area of rectangle equal to 140. Therefore area of rectangle equal to 140 square meter. Now you calculate it. 24 square equal to 576 square meter minus it is 560 square meter. So how much it is? 576 and 60, that is 16 square meter equal to 16 square meter. Now you see, I have got 16. I have got L minus B whole square equal to 16. I can write here L minus B whole square equal to 16, which I have already solved. So I can write L minus B square is equal to 16. So L minus B equal to root over 16. Therefore L minus B equal to root over 16. Therefore L minus B equal to 4 meter. So I have got L plus, this is second, I have got L plus B equal to 24, write L plus B equal to 24 meter, add it, BB cancel plus now the 2L equal to 28 meter, therefore L equal to 14 meter, B equal to 10 meter. Now if you see the L plus B and L minus B square, when you add here minus 4AB you will get this, and when you add plus 4AB then you will get this. You just use this formula. Thank you.